Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing straps and unscrewing the 6 visible screws. This exposes the shell. Use a plastic pry tool to separate the seams slowly so you don't crack the case. Once done, lift the back plate and set screws aside in order. Keep a magnetic tray if possible. Make sure to note rubber seals for later reassembly because they affect waterproofing. You're opening, not destroying. Go slowly to preserve clips and avoid stretching internal cables. You'll now examine the PCB and battery connection closely. Look for corrosion, lifted pads, or a disconnected ribbon. If you see corrosion, clean with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then allow full drying. For loose solder joints, reflow with a fine tip iron, heat just enough to wet the pad, avoid overheating. If a ribbon cable is torn or connectors are damaged, replace the ribbon or connector assembly. Once components are secure, you reattach the battery connector and perform a short power-on test. Make sure Bluetooth pairs and sound plays before sealing. Once confirmed, place rubber seals accurately, align the back plate, and tighten screws evenly to restore pressure balance. Make sure straps and buttons move freely. If the speaker still fails, double-check ribbon seating, try a known good battery, and re-inspect solder joints. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip. Swap the small internal speaker or module temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.